Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the property and submitting a sitemap so Search Console can crawl reliably. Once done, prioritize the canonical and HTTPS versions to avoid split signals. Then request indexing for top priority pages and monitor coverage to confirm successful crawls. Make sure to link your Google Analytics and Lighthouse data for richer reports. This gets you immediate, actionable diagnostic data, rather than waiting for organic ranking changes. You now run detailed audits using coverage and URL inspection to find errors and blocked resources. Once you identify issues, prioritize fixes that affect many URLs, indexing errors, mobile usability, and structured data problems. At the same time, use performance to filter by query, page, and device to uncover optimization opportunities and low CTR pages. After implementing changes, revalidate fixes and track position trends to confirm improvements. Finish by revalidating every fix and requesting reindexing for updated pages so improvements reach search quickly. Make sure to set up alerts for drops in core web vitals or sudden traffic changes and correlate with Google updates. If things go wrong, check security and manual actions immediately, then run URL inspection to isolate affected resources. A single canonical, clear robots rule and corrected structured data usually resolve most persistent issues, so methodically validate each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.